Okay, yesterday we built a brain, the logic is there, but right now it's useless. It doesn't know anything because it hasn't read anything. So today we want to fix that. We are writing the code to let our AI read PDFs and websites. Let's get to it. So I have these two files. In technical terms, this is called ingestion. It just means getting data into the system. But here is the annoying part. Data will come in all different shapes. PDFs are these weird binary files, websites are full of HTML code, text files are simple. We need this way to handle all of them without writing a mess in our code. I don't want to think about file types when I'm coding the agent, right? I just want to say read this and have it work. So we are going to build a simple loader class. It's a single function, you give it a link or a file path, and it figures out the rest automatically. Let's check the diagram so we know exactly where we sit. We are right at the first step, the input sources. We are using LangChain loaders. We aren't writing a PDF parser from scratch. That would be a nightmare. We want to use the existing tools and wrap them in our own simple logic. Let's look at the code. It's actually pretty short. We have the document loader class, load function. This is the only smart part we need to write. It looks at the input string. If it starts with HTTPS, it knows it's a website. If it ends in .pdf, it knows it's a document. It picks the right tool for the job automatically. And let's run it to see if it actually works. Okay, I get some warning because of the Python file, but we can notice that. Let me make this slightly bigger. What I did, I loaded a local text file and a live page from the LangChain documentation, and we can watch in the terminal what we get for this. First, the text file, it loaded perfectly. Now the website, also it went to the URL, it stripped out all the HTML tags, and it gave us clean text. To the AI, these two documents look exactly the same now. That's exactly what we wanted, right? So now the agent can read, but we have a new problem. If I give the AI this whole website at once, it's too much information. It will get confused, and we need to break it down. Tomorrow for day 3, we are doing something called semantic chunking. We want to take this big text and slice it into smart pieces. This is how you make the AI more accurate. I'll see you then. Thank you for watching.